enjoy tapping but don't like to do it in public because you're feeling self-conscious when you're going like this, um, watch with me and I'll show you some lovely alternatives. Welcome to Nurture Our Nature Counseling. I'm Hilke and I'm a holistic counselor, wellness coach, and EFT tapping practitioner. And I absolutely love tapping. I'm blown away time and time again how wonderful it is, not just for anxiety, not just for overwhelm, but also for pain, um, and so many other things. And one thing that some clients share with me when they practice, they say, "Oh, but I can't practice in public." And yeah, some people don't worry at all. Like, even like you can tap in the car, you can, of course, tap one handed most of the time. Some people like tapping with both hands, so you can do that. So that's an alternative way of doing it. It doesn't necessarily mean that that's gonna be more effective, but sometimes it can feel a bit better when you're tapping double-sided. But there are times, of course, when you do not want to show the world that you're tapping. And one way is to not go through all the whole protocol in public. You can actually just tap on our setup point, do it under the table if you like, or tap at the back of the hand between the bones of the hand between the fourth and fifth finger. You can just tap there. And you can tap the fingers. So there are the tapping points actually are usually the end or near the end or starting points of the acupuncture meridians in our body, the pathways where our energy flows, much like the blood vessels. And all we're doing with tapping is we are stimulating them. So in acupuncture, you stick needles into these points. You have to be very, very precise. And then there's acupressure, where you stimulate the points by massage. And actually, we can translate this acupressure into EFT tapping. And rather than tapping, so even if you think, okay, you're tapping under the table, but you feel you're jiggling about a bit and you're being a little bit conspicuous, you can just massage points. You can massage the ends of your fingers, so where the corners of your fingernails are about 1 millimeter out from the fingernails. Just do both sides, then you're sure to get the right space. And you can gently massage, so you do not need to beat yourself up, don't give yourself any bruises or pain. And just do that for as long as you would be tapping. So you can do that. And you can do that anywhere with any of the points. And sometimes you could, to be really inconspicuous, we can go like this. Oh, like we're doing a point here. Or even, you're stimulating points. So you can do it like that. And an even less conspicuous way of tapping, which will still work, is to think about the point you're stimulating. So they have actually done studies and done scans of people. So people in a scanner tapping, and they've seen which brain regions light up during the tapping and what then makes the tapping process effective. And then they have told these people, now just think about where you would be tapping and go through the EFT session without the actual tapping, but really focusing on the points and on stimulating the points as if you were doing it. And it still works. It has been shown to be effective. So obviously, the ideal way is to actually tap on the points or even massage them gently. But if you're in public and you don't want to do that, you can absolutely just think of a point. You can also hold your hand just there. You don't even need to massage. So try it out. Let me know whether that feels like a valuable alternative for you. Um, I myself have done it quite a few times. I do it in public. I mean, I'm less self-conscious nowadays. I will go along like this when I'm going for a walk or whatever. But I myself find it quite effective, and some of my clients love it as well, others not so much. So I would love to hear how you're going. If with this, please leave me a comment. But if you want more support, if you have questions, do book in a free call with me, or if you want guided supports on your issues, on something bigger, or you want to really learn how to tap really effectively, do book in a session with me. The links are in the notes below. And I have done various other EFT tapping videos as well. And there is one video which I'm doing for headaches, which where I also show some gentler techniques. So if you would like to watch that, I will link to it right here. So have a beautiful day, and if you should like and subscribe, then we can stay in touch, and I'd be ever so happy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.